What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Clink with another video for Clink Moto here. How y'all been? Today we're not doing a Sunday ride. Today we're out on the bike on a Saturday afternoon, because I'm going to go down and see if the car show's still going and maybe take some photos and videos of some cars. You know, something just to get out of the house. How about that? That plus it's not too terribly bad outside. Clink lost his cell phone last Tuesday. Found out that somebody picked it up, and at some point Tuesday night they pulled the card out of the cell phone and gave it to somebody else who put it in their cell phone to get their cell phone to work. Well, needless to say, Wednesday Clink had gone to AT&T, had that card shut down, got a new card, and now got another new iPhone 11 Pro. So, there's that. That was kind of a topping of the beginning of the week. Kind of went downhill from there, but guess what? We're back. And we're gonna go ride. We're gonna have some fun. Yep. One thing for my cell phone so far, well, two things I guess I should say. Number one, when I got my new cell phone back, I couldn't connect to my internet at home, so I couldn't download from the cloud all my apps and have my phone set up the way it was before. But we're slowly, you know, re-downloading this, that, and everything else, getting everything back to normal again. And then number two, you can see I don't have my cell phone on my mount. Well, what's up, dude? Yeah, I had to order another cell phone case for my quad lock for my cell phone. So, well, yeah, you know, it's in my pocket right now. Hopefully I don't damage it, but that's all right. It's on its way. So here we go. Traffic's like crazy because it's a busy weekend with the car show going on and everything else going out on here. So we'll just kick back, relax, and go check out some cars. We'll be right back. All right, everybody, here we are. Still got the car show going. Let's go see some cars. Ooh, let's get this camera pointed at me and maybe go get a beer. How about that? What's up, everybody? It's your boy Clink with Clink Moto again, enjoying a cold beverage. Want to give a shout out there to Battleborn in Reno, Nevada.
What's happening?
Drinking your beer, brother.
Like 320.
Right there it is. That's right, Jeff. You're out here at Elko with your beer, out here enjoying a car show, man. What's up, guys? Yeah. We're out here having a good time. Check this out. Vendors out here serving food and beer, clothing items, and all that fun stuff. Check it out. Gonna go for a little walk, go check out some of these rides we got going on over here. How about that? That's right, we got a car show up here at Elko. Cheers. Hey, look at that, I got a little friend. Let's go check some of these out. What do you say? Ooh. Here we go, guys. Hey, we're checking out some of these cool rides we got out here, man. Ooh, yeah, doggy. Surrounded by beautiness. That's what we got. We're surrounded by some cool rods, man. Some cool cars, classic people out here. Just enjoying some of this warmer weather we have here.
I remember there was a bunch of these around.
These were really good trucks.
Ooh, from Wyoming. This was slick. This looked good. Ooh, look at that. God, it's gorgeous.
I haven't seen a single person with a mask on. No, I have.
I've got one in my pocket. Oh, here we go.
Jello dancing.
Please kind of spread out. If you hear your tickets, please hurry up here as fast as you can. We have a lot to give away. Wear your mask for now. Please. This camera. Please. Put it wherever you want. Sanitize your hands. Sanitize your hands. Okay, we're going to give away the burners first here. The burners first. 3 tickets. Here we go. Goober, Max, you know who you are. Maxie, Goober. Where you at? Maxie, let me hear you. Where's that yell you do?
Who's yours?
Let me hear the yell.
I gotta take it off the phone.
Oh shit.
There it is. All right, next one. No name on this one. 839-3803. 839-3803. 839-3803. Another one is 4946. Excuse me, hang on. 469-757.
That's gorgeous.
469-767. Here he is. The other one is 839-3803. 839-3803. Going once.
But that's a future.
Twice. All right, here she comes. Just go walking down the street. Which one do you have? 839-7567. 46975. You're close though, but we enjoyed the run up. There's the garbage.
6-7. 5-6-7.
All right. There you go. One for me and one for you. All right.
Oh, here we go. Tequila Sunrise, baby.
That's not as rare as it is.
Probably. You want? There you go. Yeah, that's yours. That's it. Then you get a variety there. All right. Who knows? All right, here we go. What's this for? We'll just start grabbing them. That works.
Now it's time to go on the wild side over here, people. Look what I found. Mitch, you won.
Yeah, go Mitch. I was wondering if we were going to see a cute day. Your outfit is so cute.
I want to drop that in the food. I mean, I like it when
Thomas Hutchins. Thomas?
I offered the guy.
All right, guys, this is cool. Check this one out. Pretty bad. Love it.
Here's Larson. I think that's Larson, right? Larson, we call Larson.
People got too much money around here.
Okay, here we go.
Since you got money.
Lots
Yeah,
of
pretty
prizes.
much.
Social distance, sanitize your neighbor, sanitize your hands.
Okay, let's go check on something.
I don't want to touch your package. Not wearing underwear either. Keep your mask on, best you can, 6 feet.
Yeah, buddy, this is fun. There's some nice cars out here, huh? Cold beer, classic cars, can't get better than that. What's up, guys? We're back. That was kind of a fun little walk around, checking out some of the rides, and had some bikes out there and some cool cars and trucks and everything to boot. So that was fun. But now on to the other part. I'm gonna head down and gotta go get stuff for dinner and go home and start editing a YouTube video. Yay! So yeah, hope you guys liked today's video. Make sure if you like it to give me a big thumbs up, like always. Also, if you haven't yet, hit that bell icon. Notifies you when I've got a new video up. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. It helps out the channel. Until next time, keep it rubber side down, shiny side up. Peace.